Going star Filipino dish chicken adobo, yeah, star adobo from
Alright.
the Philippines.
So
We
what's
have vegetable oil, white pepper.
Might be black or white?
Black or white.
Oh, we're not
doesn't matter.
racist?
It doesn't matter if you're black or white.
Alright, what's that?
Vinegar,
Vinegar.
white vinegar, doesn't matter.
And
Soy sauce. Como esta?
Alright. So that's the ingredients. And don't forget the garlic.
You cannot live without garlic.
No, yeah. Adobo needs a garlic.
Adobo needs a
So
garlic.
yes, we're cooking adobo, a Filipino dish. Alright, let's do this, Mike.
A whole lot?
Yeah, a whole lot. You can use a lot of garlic if you don't wanna, because that's what the adobo tastes.
More garlic.
More garlic. Yeah, crush it.
And then the skins come off, don't it?
Yeah, crush it. Because this is a big garlic. Because in the Philippines, it's not this. You know, the garlic's not that big. It's this one. It depends how you want it.
Yeah, how you want it. How do you like it?
We can fry it up a bit, but not fry, you know what I mean?
No.
Measure.
Did your mum make a good adobo?
This is, yeah, everyone does. Filipino, some Filipino cook adobo with a lot of oil, and I don't like that.
No.
So, yeah, and then put it back in there. Chicken thighs.
Chicken thighs are good, better, aren't they? They're the nice part of the chicken, aren't they?
There you go. So, yeah, I'll leave that. We got the chicken.
Chicken
meat. We got that. So, yes.
And no.
Thank you, Mike. Yes.
How much oil? Oh, you don't put that much oil in there.
No, we don't put too much. Just a bit. Yeah, there you go. There you go.
In goes the garlic. And now you can let the garlic brown. What was that?
Yep, you're right. Right.
The chicken goes in. Doesn't it? Oh yeah.
Chicken.
Don't forget to put your rubbish in the popper. How long are you going to let that do that for?
Few minutes. Like 5 to 10 minutes. Depends. Got this in here.
Huh?
Oh. Thumbs big getting big.
Give us diabetes, does that? Something you can do about it. You lose weight all around your arms and legs, but not on your tummy.
I think just leave it.
Yeah, because you might catch something that's uncatchable again. Listen to that sizzle. Sizzled chicken and garlic. Sizzled chicken and garlic. Oh yeah.
So basically I'm just turning it over.
Turning it over,
Yeah.
make it brown.
Wait for a couple of minutes again. Oh,
Oh, you got the chicken. Quick, pick it
one just want to get away.
up. 5-second roll. Soy sauce next. We gotta have some soy sauce. How much? Not too much.
Like I said, I don't measure. It's up to you if you want more, if you're not. Yeah.
Depending on the taste, and I love soy sauce. Made from the soya bean. Now white vinegar. You can use any colour vinegar, but this enhances the flavour. Lovely vinegar. Now pepper. You need black or white.
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
Thing.
That's what you got in the house.
There you go, a bit more. There you go.
Nice. Nice. Oh, nice.
Right, if you want your adobo a bit spicy,
You can put, what's that, chili?
put a half paprika. Bit. Not too much, that's it.
What is it, chili?
Half paprika.
Is that
Yeah,
Indian?
it's just, yeah, it's chili, but it's not a lot.
I think your gas bottle's gone.
Yeah,
Did you pick it off?
yeah, I did. Alright. 2 more minutes. Let's taste this. Oh, shit, that's nice.
I couldn't believe that pedal, that Marshall pedal for 15 quid.
Yeah.
If it said $5, I'll have it. That ain't worth 15 quid.
Which one?
That Marshall pedal we had, just off an on button.
Wow.
You get with the amp.
Mm.
Oh,
You can get that for £5.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. Ah.
Done.
That's plenty of... Oh yeah, that, look at that, adobo, mmm, what a smell. Oh, you're feeding my body, you're feeding my eyes, you're feeding my smell, and you're feeding my ears, the crackling, and oh yeah.
Yeah, you're not making, it sounds like porn,
That
man.
sounds good.
Yeah, in Philippines, mate, we still have this sauce on the pan.
Oh, look at that
You're
sauce.
gonna
I'm going to put that secret sauce in a little jar and save it. It's just enough to make you a bit...
So, yeah, the sauce,
Carlisle. And you
put
go.
the rice there. So you're not gonna waste all the sauce.
No, we want to keep the sauce, don't we?
Yeah, we don't wanna.
Oh, yeah.
So you're mixing the leftover sauce on the pan with the rice. There you go. Ooh, yeah, baby.
So when it's nice and cold, and you've got something to warm your old cockles.
Go.
Oh, yes.
Right, come on, dude. You choose.
Oh, right. I'll let you.
Plate.
Where are we sitting? Here?
You can sit in there, whatever. We're still gonna.
Look at this. Lovely. Nice.
Alright, cool. So, you sure adobo, mate?
Thank you. I'm going home now. Bye. See ya. Kamusta? Kamusta, Dobro from the Philippines.
Yeah, taste it now. Stop saying kamusta. Goodness me.
Ah, absolutely. Mwah. You stop filming now because I'm going to make a pig of myself.
You like it or not?
It's lovely. It's beautiful.
Booty pull. That's a booty pull.
Beautiful.
Alright, cool. Alright. Nice.